Welcome to this session. Today, we're going to be talking about analytics. So with analytics, just like with reporting, like I said before, with analytics, there is analytics in the CRM, and then there is actual Zoho analytics, which you'll probably need a developer to put together for you. It is very complex, and that's where you're going to get your more sophisticated reporting. However, in the CRM, we do have a component called analytics. And so this is where we can put together some widgets for our dashboard. So if you look at my screen right now, these are the widgets that we're putting together. So we can create these, and they can also be created using the reports that you've created in your system. So on the left-hand side, we're going to click the purple icon that says Analytics. And here we have all these different components. And what's really cool is if we add a component, we can pick from the gallery. So just like in reporting, I told you that it's better to stick with the things that Zoho's already created for you. It's the same thing with the analytics. So if we pick from the gallery, we can see leads this month, revenue this month, opportunities in the pipeline. So there's a lot of stuff that's already here, and we can change the filter. So for example, if we want to have the top 10 lead sources, we can change the sum of average time spent. So we can do that instead of count of. You can change the duration. So if you wanted it for the previous month or the previous quarter instead of for the whole year. So you can play with the different settings in here and create yourself different reports based on what you want. Now, there is an option to create your custom ones. So you could do a chart, for example, and you can do it from reports, or you can do a quick chart. So here it does get a little bit more difficult because you actually have to select exactly what you want here. So you have to know what you're looking for in order to create these reports. Let's say I want the sum of average time spent on a lead, and I want the created time by month. And so we can save this, and it will give us a new component for our dashboard. So go ahead and play with it, give it a try. I recommend using the one Zoho has created. Try to make some changes for the filters and see if you can make it work for you.